Hello, I am Sami Muravesh. This is my traffic project of introduction to artificial intelligence with Python. In this video, I will show how my script works. Before I explain the code, I will launch it because it takes a few minutes to complete. Okay. As this specification says, I have implemented two functions: load data and get model function. In the load data, I have defined two empty lists, images and labels. Then every image in each category will be read and will be stored in a variable called image to increase the speed of calculations and also to improve the accuracy. Every image is converted to a NumPy array, and also its type is converted from float 64, which is the default, to float 32. Also, each value is normalized to 0 to 1 by dividing by 255. Then every image is resized to the specified size, which is 30 pixels by 30 pixels. After that, every image will be appended to the image list, and also each category which uh, which is converted to the integer variable is appended to the labels list. This function will return a tuple of images and labels to the main function. In the get model, I have defined a sequential model. After that, I have added a convolutional model with 64 filters. Every kernel has a size of 3 by 3. Also, the activation function is the ReLU function. After that, a max pool layer is applied to the previous convolutional model to reduce the size of neural network. And our pool size is 2 by 2. Again, another convolutional layer is added to the model. Now, this convolutional layer has 128 filters instead of 64 filters. Again, the kernel size is 3 by 3 and activation is below. After that, another max pool layer is applied to the model. Also, its size is 2 by 2. After that, the output of max pool layer is flattened. Uh, After it, a dense layer with 256 nodes is added to the model. Here, the activation function is also reload. Ultimately, uh, and a dropout is applied to the model. It has size of 30% to avoid overfitting. And ultimately, an output layer of size of number of categories, which is here 43, is added to the layer, and here activation function is softmax to provide a probabilistic distribution. And also the model is compiled with these settings as you see, and this model is returned to the main function. And here is the code. As you see, for example, uh, epoch number 5 uh, is uh, last 39 seconds, and it takes a few minutes to complete. Thanks for your patience. As you see, this model is, uh, I think it is very accurate. Its accuracy is uh, more than 98%. I have tried some other models which you can see in my README file. I think this is the best model. Also, this model has 1 million, about more than 1 million parameters, which is exactly 1 million, 200,000, 200, okay. Now this is done, and I think it is okay. As you see, this model has accuracy of about 99% of the uh, unseen data, and I think it is a good accuracy. Thank you.